unless there's a law of physics that you're going to be violating or something, it's very appropriate to keep that open mind and keep, striving for something that's better than what we currently have.
We have a tremendous speaker today for our new Horizons in Engineering program. It's a program, I think the speaker today is the 8th in that speaker series. It was a series that's designed to bring preeminent, really world-renowned engineers and scientists to Clarkson. Often they're members of the National Academy, to talk about the challenges facing both society, in particular engineering. So we're very excited today to welcome to campus Dr. Stephen Zinkle. He is from Oak Ridge National Lab. He is from the Nuclear Science and Engineering Directorate, a Chief Scientist and Corporate Fellow from that lab. He is world-renowned in the areas of trying to find economically and environmentally responsible ways to provide energy to the world. His focus is in particular on fusion and fission, nuclear energy sources.
With nuclear energy, we're already, that's a worldwide demonstrated process. In the U.S., 20% of our electricity is coming from fission energy sources. As we look for the next 20 to 30 years, they're evolving towards what's called the third generation of nuclear power plants. Just like cars from the 1960s, they were not optimized, and no one today would want to go out and buy a 1960s car because they're not as fast, not as safe, etc. They're looking at the next generation of nuclear power plants that will have improved efficiencies, improved safety features, etc. And it's ultimately we're trying to transition towards a more clean energy sources, and it's not all going to be done with nuclear energy. It's not all going to be done with coal, improved versions of coal. Not all going to be done with natural gas. Or with solar photovoltaics or with wind energy, but it's the smart mixture of all of the above and continually improving all of them that will lead to the right mix of balance of energy for the future. Year by year, decade by decade, lead to substantial improvements in the performance of things, and that's kind of the human nature, is that we're not satisfied to kind of status quo. We always want new innovations that will give you a better quality product.